Series AC circuits. Question: a coil of resistance 50 ohm and inductance of 0.1 Henry is connected in series with a 100 microfarad capacitor. The combination is supplied with 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply. Calculate the voltage across each current through the circuit, power factor, and draw the complete phasor diagram. Solution: first of all, let's write what is given. So given a coil of resistance 50 ohm. The value of resistance is given, R is equal to 50 ohm. Inductance is given, inductance L is equal to 0.1 Henry. Then series with a 100 microfarad capacitor. Capacitance is given, C is equal to 100 microfarad. The combination is supplied with 230 volt. So V is equal to 230 volt. Frequency is given, F is equal to 50 Hz. Then calculate the voltage across each. So we have to calculate VR or directly V coil, because it is a coil. Coil is the combination of resistance and inductance. So we have to calculate voltage across coil and voltage across capacitor VC. Then current through the circuit. Then we have to find total current I. Then power factor and draw complete phasor diagram. Then next we have to find power factor, that is cos phi, and after that we have to draw phasor diagram. So first of all, let's draw circuit diagram. So for coil, coil is the combination of resistance and inductance. So this is resistance and this is inductance, and this is capacitor. This is R, this is L, and this is C. So resistance value is 50 ohm, inductance value is 0.1 Henry, capacitance value is 100 microfarad. Now it is connected to AC supply of 230 volt. So this voltage is 230 volt, and the frequency is 50 Hz. 230 volt 50 Hz. Now here voltage across capacitor will be VC. So this is VC and this is the voltage across coil. So this is V coil. Now we have to find current I, V coil, and VC and power factor. So first of all, we will find inductive reactance. From this inductance, we will find inductive reactance. So XL, or we can directly put I is equal to V upon Z. We have to find this current I. So I is equal to V by Z. So it will be V upon, now Z is R plus J XL minus XC. XL minus XC. Now we have to find XL. So XL is equal to 2 pi F into L. So 2 pi multiplied by frequency is 50 Hz. So it is 50 Hz multiplied by inductance. Inductance is 0.1 Henry. So 0.1, it is equal to 2 pi multiplied by 50 multiplied by 0.1. So it is 31.41. 31.41, and since it is inductive reactance, so its unit will be ohm. Then for capacitive reactance, XC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi Fc. So it will be 1 upon 2 pi multiplied by F. F is again same 50 Hz multiplied by C, capacitance. Capacitance value is 100 microfarad. So 100 microfarad means 100 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6. So it will be 1 upon 2 pi multiplied by 50 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6. So it is 31.83. 31.83, and since it is capacitive reactance, so its unit will be ohm. Now we can calculate current I. So current I is equal to, it will be in phasor. So this is also in phasor. So it will be V phasor divided by the value of V phasor is known. It is, here we can see it is 230 volt at an angle. Here the angle is not given, so we have to consider 0 degree. So 230 at an angle 0 degree divided by Z. So impedance Z will be R plus JXL minus XC. The value of resistance R is 50 ohm. So 50 plus JXL. XL value is 31.41, then minus XC. XC is 31.83. Now if we solve this, so here we will solve this. We can directly solve this in calculator. So we will put calculator in complex mode. So it will be 230 divided by 50 plus I into 31.41 minus 31.83. Now this is in rectangular form. We can convert this into its equivalent polar form. So it will be shift 2 and then 3. So it is 4.599. So that is 4.6. 4.6 at an angle 0.481. 0.481 degree, and since it is current, so its unit will be ampere. Now we got the value of current I, and we also have the value of voltage V. So we can find power factor also we can find. So power factor will be cos phi, and the value of phi is 0.481. So it will be cos 0.481 cos 0.481. So it is 0.999, which is approximately equal to, here we can write 0.999, which is approximately equal to 1. So therefore power factor is equal to 1. Then next we have to calculate voltage across capacitor and voltage across this coil. So first we will find voltage across capacitor. So voltage across capacitor. Voltage across capacitor is Vc, and it is equal to, now this voltage Vc, we can write Vc is equal to this current I multiplied by capacitive reactance Xc. So using this formula we can find the value of this Vc, or we have to use impedance formula here. First we have to find Zc. So this capacitance will be R minus J jXC. Now here the value of resistance is 0. So this will be 0 minus jXC. So this will be ZC. And VC is equal to current I multiplied by ZC. So it will be multiplied with ZC. So therefore VC is equal to I into minus jXC. VC is equal to I into minus jXC. I into minus jXC. So if we substitute this value, it will be the value of I. Here we can write VC is equal to the value of I is 4.6 at an angle 0.481. Then it will be multiplied with minus J into XC. The value of XC is 31.83. 31.83. So therefore VC is equal to, if we solve this, we get 4.6 multiplied by, or 4.6, we will write this in bracket, 4.6 at an angle 0.481 multiplied with minus I into 31.83. So this is in rectangular form. In polar form this will be shift to 3. So it is 146.41. 146.41 at an angle of minus 89.51. Minus 89.51 degree, and its unit will be volt. So this is the value of VC, voltage across capacitor. Then voltage across, next we have to calculate voltage across coil. So voltage across coil will be voltage across coil. So it is V coil is equal to, here we can write first, we have to calculate ZC or Z coil. So Z coil will be equal to R plus JXL. Now the value of resistance R is 50 ohm. So it will be 50 plus JXL. The value of XL we have already calculated. It is 31.41. 31.41. So this is Z coil, and we have to calculate V coil. So V coil is equal to I into Z coil. The value of current I is same, that is 4.6 at an angle 0.481. 4.6 at an angle 0.481 degree multiplied by Z coil. Z coil, it is this value. We can convert this into its equivalent polar form. So it will be 50 plus I into 31.41. 50 plus J 31.41 is equal to shift to 3. So it is 59.04. 59.04 at an angle 32.13. 32.13 degree, and since it is impedance, so its unit will be ohm. So it will be 59.04 at an angle 32.13 degree ohm. If we solve this, so we get V coil is equal to this value. It is 4.6 at an angle 0.481 multiplied with 59 in bracket 59.04 at an angle 32.13 bracket close. So it is in rectangular form, in polar form, shift 2 3. So it is 271.58 at an angle 32.61 degree. So this is the voltage across coil. Its unit will be volts. Now we got the value of voltage across coil, voltage across capacitor, power factor, current, phase angle, and then next we have to draw the complete phasor diagram. Now next we have to draw phasor diagram of this. So here we will take voltage as a reference because the angle of voltage is 0. So let's take voltage as a reference. So this is phasor diagram and this is a voltage V as a reference, and it is equal to 230 volt. Then current, the value of current is 4.6 at an angle 0.481. So the value of current will be like this. This is current here. Let's say this is current I, will be smaller. So it is current I is equal to, the value of current I is 4.6 at an angle 0.481. So we are considering this as 0 and we are considering this in phase. So it will be in phase. 4.6 I is equal to 4.6 ampere. Then next we will draw voltage across coil. So it is leading and it will be like this. It is 271. So V is equal to 271.58 and this angle is 32.61 degree. So this is voltage across coil. V coil. It is V coil. Then next voltage across capacitor. So it is 146 and the angle is negative, that means it is lagging. This voltage is lagging at an angle minus 89.51. So let's say it is minus 90 degree. So it will be like this. And the value is 149. So here it will be like this. 146.41. It is not 149. It is 146.41. 146 VC is equal to 146.41 and the angle is minus 89.51. Degree. So this is the phasor diagram. This is called phasor diagram. This is the phasor diagram for this question. Visit the link in the description below and register there. There you will find thousands of questions and answers and videos related to electrical and electronics engineering. Thanks for watching.